thank goodness. This is some good news. At least Kamala Harris, the Vice President of the United States, say it quickly, it doesn't sound so bad. Say it slowly, and it's depressing beyond belief. Kamala Harris, she's on the case. And she had some profound and deeply profound, actually, words to say about climate change this week. And amazingly, she was straight to the point. Have a listen.
That is especially true when it comes to the climate crisis, which is why we will work together and continue to work together to address these issues, to tackle these challenges, and to work together as we continue to work operating from the new norms, rules, and agreements that we will convene to work together on to galvanize global action. With that, I thank you all. This is a matter of urgent priority for all of us, and I know we will work on this together.
So what the heck did that mean? That lady is Vice President of the United States. And so all you have to do to get that job, in fact, it's essential today, is to parrot meaningless platitudes that say absolutely nothing.